Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aditi. I hope all of you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to review the Minimalist Weekend Exfoliating Facial. So this is the Minimalist 25% AHA, 5% PHA and 2% BHA exfoliating serum. So I am going to review this product today. So I used this product for good 5 to 6 times now and I have my thoughts on this. So I thought why not share it with you guys. So I am going to share my experience and how you want to use this product and everything in detail in the video. So if you guys want to know, then please continue watching. All right, so let's begin firstly with the packaging. So this is how the product looks like. This is a glass bottle, as you guys can clearly see. So this is a glass bottle and you get a dropper applicator like this, and this is like really convenient to apply the product. Everything is written on the packaging of the product, like the product name and direction of use. Ingredient list is also there, and MRP, manufacturing date and expiry date, everything that you want to know about the product is written on the bottle. So this product retails for $6.99 and you get 30 ml of product, which I would say is quite enough for a exfoliator and for a chemical peel. So this is really nice and good quantity, and you are getting 17 months of expiry, so that is like a good amount of time that you can use this product. Now, if I talk about the color of this product, you can clearly see that this is yellow in color, and as it is mentioned on the bottle, the color of the product is because of the turmeric in it. The consistency of this product is not super thin and not super thick, but if I have to choose, then this definitely falls in the thicker category. You can clearly see it's definitely a bit thick and you can see the strings as well. So this is how the consistency of this product looks like. Now let's talk about the ingredient list. I'm not gonna go deep into the ingredients because I think that would be a bit boring. So I'm gonna talk about the main ingredients and the key ingredients in this product. So as you guys can clearly see that this is the combination of 25% of AHA and 5% of PHA and 2% of BHA. So the first key ingredient is alpha hydroxy acid, which is AHA. AHA are a group of plant and animal derived acids, which are used in a lot of different skincare products. There are multiple kind of AHAs available in the market that we use in our skincare product, but there are like two very promising AHAs, which are glycolic acid and lactic acid, and we have both of these in this product. These two AHAs are less likely to irritate your skin as well, so that is why this is safe to use as well. So the primary function of AHA is to exfoliate your skin, right? But you have got some other benefits of AHA as well. AHA can also help you with promoting of collagen and blood flow, discoloration, improve skin texture and wrinkles, prevent acne breakout, and eventually helps you with brightening up your skin. Now let's talk about the BHA in it. So we have got 2% of BHA in it, and that is beta hydroxy acid. BHA can go deep into your pores to remove dead skin cells and excess sebum. BHA used in this product is salicylic acid, which is mainly responsible for unclogging pores. If you include salicylic acid in your skincare routine, like keep it for very good period of time, it can actually eventually help you with blackheads and whiteheads. Now let's talk about the next key ingredient, which is the PHA, and I'm so happy that they have included PHA in this. We have got 5% of PHA in this, and PHA is definitely much more mild than AHA and BHA. PHA has a larger, molecular size, hence it doesn't go very deep into your pores. So, it's not gonna irritate your skin. So it is actually safe to use for all skin type. Now, before I talk about how you wanna use this, let me just, differentiate what a chemical and a physical exfoliator is. So this is a chemical exfoliator that I'm going to talk about, that how you want to use this. But a physical exfoliator is something that we have been using for years and years. Physical exfoliator is like we use that. I used that Everyouth ka kuch, I don't actually remember the name. I'm gonna put that right here. So that in the physical exfoliator you get the granules and you can feel the product, which is going to scrub. You're gonna scrub on your face, and it definitely is much satisfying because you can feel that you are exfoliating your skin. But in a longer run, physical exfoliators are like a bit risky for your skin because it's gonna hurt your skin if the size of the granules is much bigger, and if you don't apply the right pressure, if you just go and apply a lot of pressure on your skin, it's definitely gonna hurt your skin. So I definitely have used physical exfoliator for years and years now, but I switched to chemical exfoliator for, I would say, now 1.5 year it's been, and I'm totally enjoying chemical exfoliating. So physical exfoliator, I have explained. Chemical exfoliator is something which is, you're gonna apply that on the top layer of your skin and just gonna leave it, and it's gonna remove all the dead skin from your skin and gonna make your skin look so beautiful. That is all about the product. This is actually aloe vera juice based product. This is not water based. I think most of the minimalist products are aloe vera based, so if you are allergic to aloe vera, this is not the product for you. But other than that, you can definitely use this. You can, I think this is for all skin types, so it is safe for all skin type. So now let's talk about how you want to use this product. The first thing first, you want to make sure that your skin is nicely cleaned. There should not be any kind of makeup or skincare residue left on your face. You want to make sure that your skin is super clean, you guys. So I'm gonna use a face wash. You can use any face wash of your choice. I'm taking this Mamaearth Upton face wash. This is like very mild. You want to make sure that you use something which is not high on chemicals, something very mild, because we are anyway going to use something very strong. Just gonna wash my face quickly. I'm gonna massage that all over my face for a few seconds and then wash it off. Now you can see that my skin is nicely clean and there's no sweat and dirt left on my skin. So I'm just gonna let it be and let my skin dry. You want to make sure that your skin is nicely dry, you guys. You don't want to apply the product on the damp skin, because the water on your skin is gonna neutralize the acids in this product, and we don't want that. We want the 100% result out of this product, right? So we don't want to neutralize these things. So when your skin is nicely I would say dry, then only go ahead and apply this. Now if you want to apply this directly on your face, you can go ahead and apply that, but I tried this directly on my face and I felt that was a bit too harsh for my skin. So what I like to do, I just take a my toner and I apply that toner all over my face, and then I just let it sit for a while. And again, you want to make sure that the toner is nicely absorbed and dry on your skin, and then only I go ahead and apply this serum. You can definitely skip the toner. That is something that I do personally. So now you want to take the product and just apply that all over your face. You want to apply a thick layer, like a even thick layer all over your face. You can use the applicator directly on your face, but I would not really recommend doing that because it is high acids, and if you accidentally put that close to your eyes or like around your eyes, that could be something which is like a very bad thing. That is the worst thing that you can do to your skin and you can do to your eyes. So I would recommend put some of the product on your fingers and then apply a thick layer all over your face. That is the way, like that is the way which is very safe. Now I don't think that I need to mention this, but still I should, I think, mention that you don't want to apply this very close to your eyes and the mouth area, because that is obviously a sensitive area, right? So you want to avoid the areas around your eyes and mouth, and also if you have any breakout or any cuts, anything on your face, you want to avoid that area. It's gonna irritate your skin so badly, you guys. So make sure that you don't apply it on a breakout, and yeah, then just leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. Now when I say 10 minutes, you guys, it means 10 minutes. You don't want to leave it for more than 10 minutes. It is not your random clay mask or sheet mask that you can leave for a while. No, you can wash it off within 8 to 9 minutes, but not more than 10 minutes you want to leave on your face, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. And you don't want to use a face wash or soap after using this product. Like I said, the water neutralizes the chemicals, so you don't need a face wash with this. So now if I talk about my experience with you guys, let me tell you that the first time that I applied this product on my face, as I said that I applied this directly on my face without any toner or anything, it felt a bit irritating on my skin. I mean, it was, I feel, a bit strong for my skin, so it was really hard for me to keep that product on my face for 10 minutes. So I was like, maybe I don't want to use this. My skin is kind of not taking this very nicely, even though I am actually used to chemical exfoliator. As I said, that it's been a while that I started using chemical exfoliator, but this is something I feel is very, very strong. So I stopped using this. But then again, after a few weeks, I feel like I should start using this and I should give it another chance. And then I thought I should just, put toner and then apply this. And you guys, that is the decision which helped me a lot. So I started using toner before applying this product on my face, and this started working beautifully on my skin. A little bit of tingling and little bit of irritation is fine, but if you feel that it is irritating your skin to an extent that you cannot bear it, then is the time that you don't want to keep it on your skin, right? So yeah, that is my experience. I totally enjoyed using this product. This is, I would say, is such an amazing chemical exfoliator. You would see the difference, you guys, trust me. It makes your skin so soft. And I feel if you use this consistently now, this is gonna help you with so many problems and so many skin issues. I totally enjoyed this product. This definitely is not something, if you're a beginner and you're just starting off with chemical exfoliators, this product is definitely not for you, because this definitely is very strong. So if your skin is used to of chemical exfoliators, then only you can go to this one. If you're a beginner, you want to start with something mild, you would definitely feel a little bit of tingling, which is absolutely fine. That is the job of a chemical exfoliator, so don't bother about that. So now the main question is, will I purchase this product again? So my answer is yes, you guys. I would definitely purchase this product again for sure, and I have my reasonings for that. First, that this is super affordable, you guys, and this is available in India. And the ingredient list is so good. I mean, these kind of ingredients and the mixture of these ingredients, getting that in one product and on this affordable price is so damn difficult. Definitely there are different brands that are making different exfoliators and different products, but they definitely are like 2 to 3 times expensive. I never used Ordinary, but the ingredient list of them is definitely very impressive, right? But we cannot be waiting for that product to launch, because we have Minimalist here, and trust me, it is working beautifully. You don't need to wait for Ordinary to launch in India. One more thing that I forgot to mention, that this has pH of 3.4 to 3.8, so that is again really good for your skin. So I think I have mentioned everything about this product that you should be knowing before investing your hard-earned monies into this. So yeah, that is my review about this product, you guys. I hope this was helpful for you. Let me make it even more easier for you. So this is super affordable, available in India, easily available in India, and the ingredient list is something which I am definitely a fan of. I'm like, the ingredients are definitely very clean, and this also is actually, there is like no fragrance, no silicons, no parabens, and no essential oils. Dye bhi nahi hai iske andar, and there are like no sulfates. So it's like a really nice and clean product to use on your skin. Yeah, one more thing that I should be mentioning here, that you don't want to apply something all over your face. If you're using this for the first time, you definitely want to do a patch test, you guys. So how you want to do that, you just want to take the product and apply that on your neck area, like here, and on your close to your jawline, and then leave it for 10 minutes obviously, and then wash it off, and then leave it for leave your skin for 24 hours or maybe 48 hours, and then see a difference if your skin is getting irritated, or is there any kind of redness or any rashes. If anything of that sort is happening, I would not recommend you to use this. If the patch test goes well and if you don't see anything bad or rashes or redness, then you can go ahead and apply that all over your face. So that is my review and my experience about this Minimalist product. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, you can just leave that in the comment section below. I would answer your questions about this product, definitely. So yeah, that is that what I have today for you guys. I really hope this video was helpful. If you like this video and if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. That is your way of showing your love to me. If you enjoy my content, please do consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos coming your way. And yeah, that is that what I have to do for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. I love you guys all so much. Bye bye.